Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Somebody sent me a file to look at. They're saying that when they draw with like the 2-point line, it doesn't leave a line. They can't see the line. They've got everything set correctly here, even though they draw in, RGB, but they draw in black. When I draw in a hairline, I'm going to so what I'm suggesting you try is either double click on this and go to graphic or hit your F12 on your keyboard. Change this to red and then give that a try and see if that maybe solves your problem. But the other thing I noticed here, you've got your fill set on white. I can't imagine the situation where you would want fill in white. Because if we take another one and turn it yellow and go here and put it in front and then go to order and back a page, you can see that white fill. Especially as a laser engraver, you do not want that white fill in there. So you're going to want to double click on this and go right here to no fill and then say okay, and see now you have, and do it in graphic. So now when you draw a box, it has no fill whatsoever. And that's what you would want for a cut line especially. And it's just going to make it look better because most people are trying to get rid of white. You're adding white. So change those and see if that doesn't solve your problem. I can't imagine because these are lines you drew. This is line I drew. And then I just drew this line for the video and it's coming out right. And change this to this and then go up to Tools and save as default. I'm not going to save it because I don't need millimeters and everything else looks good. Your nudge factor is a little bit weird, but that might have been something you were especially working on because you can make a duplicate of that and nudge it and nudge. Well, it nudges it over not that far. But anyway, give those two things a try and see if that doesn't help. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.